The Monash University low-FODMAP diet has completely revolutionised gastroenterology practice. It has been a complete game changer for the entire sphere.
We had identified a problem in IBS management. We had developed the FODMAP hypothesis.
What I learned tonight a bit more is how the team developed the whole idea and make some trials with the real patient and client and find it's really effective.
Monash researchers showed that irritable bowel syndromes improve in 3 out of 4 people who follow their low-FODMAP diet.
I'm a newly graduated dietitian, and the new research and insights that they shared with us, it was just amazing.
Big challenge is to get that information out there. So we're turning to technology.
Dietitians are learning how to educate and how to help their patients.
And believe it or not, the exciting times continue.